Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. You can contact me for installing SAP on your local computer, on server, on cloud. You can also contact me for installing SAP server so that users can remotely connect the SAP server through SAP GUI and through Fiori. You can see I have installed many different SAP systems for my different clients and they can remotely access it. Okay. I'm showing you some of my clients' SAP systems which I remotely set up, configured. Okay, this is SAP S4 HANA 2023 with Service Pack 1. I'm not going to log in to this. Okay, this is SAP EC6 EHP8 on AWS on the cloud setup, and users can remotely access it through the SAP GUI and through Fiori. This is S4 HANA 2022 on server, and users can remotely access it through the SAP GUI and through Fiori. This is also S4 HANA 2022. This is S4 HANA 2023. I can configure it so that users can remotely access the SAP systems from SAP GUI from anywhere in the world and through Fiori also, through the web browser. I can do many different types of SAP installations. You can contact me for any installation services. You can see the softwares are already uploaded on my Google Drive. This is S4 HANA 2023 with Service Pack 1, with EWM, with TM, with ADS, with lifetime validity, with Fiori, with ABAP developer key. All things are activated. All the files are already uploaded to my Google Drive. This is S4 HANA 2021 with lifetime validity, Fiori, ABAP developer key. This is S4 HANA 1909. This is 1909. This is 2022-2023 without Service Pack 1. This is the S4. This is the SAP HANA database only. If you just want the database, I can also provide it. So like this, I have many different SAP installations options. You can just contact me and I will send you the list.